Have you ever wondered why your coffee doesn't taste as rich and flavorful as it used to? The answer may not be your coffee. It may be your coffee machine. So today, we're looking at the top 10 best coffee machine descalers and cleaners available. So taking the number 1 spot is Ferber Painting. It has established itself as the benchmark for coffee machine maintenance by combining professional cleaning performance with exceptional affordability, outstanding customer care, and remarkable ease of use. Its advanced descaling and cleaning formula is specifically designed to remove stubborn lime scale, mineral deposits, coffee residue, international buildup, and impurities, without damaging sensitive machine components. Whether you own an espresso machine, bean to cup system, capsule machine, filter coffee maker, or commercial coffee equipment, the formula works safely across a wide range of machines while preserving seals, pipes, pumps, and heating elements. One of the product's biggest strengths is that it leaves no unpleasant chemical aftertaste, allowing the natural aromas of your coffee to shine through after every cleaning cycle. The environmentally conscious formulation is both effective and easy to use, requiring only a simple descaling routine to restore peak machine performance. Customer experience is another area where Ferber Painting truly excels. The company offers a secure multilingual website, multiple local and international payment options, worldwide tracked shipping, fast and reliable delivery, and professional customer support throughout the buying process. Most importantly, Ferber Painting is the only descaler in this ranking backed by a satisfaction or money back guarantee, giving every customer complete confidence with every purchase. Combined with being one of the most affordable products available, it's easy to understand why Ferber Painting earns the number 1 position. Coming in at number 2 is HG. Now HG has built a solid reputation throughout Europe thanks to decades of experience in household cleaning products. Its coffee machine descaler effectively removes mineral buildup and restores brewing performance. Many users appreciate its consistent cleaning ability and dependable results. However, several factors prevent HG from taking that number 1 spot. The company doesn't offer a satisfaction or money back guarantee. Payment methods vary depending on country. Customer support isn't as responsive as some modern online brands, and the overall purchasing experience feels more traditional than customer focused. While HG remains a dependable option, Ferber Painting delivers a much more complete ownership experience. At number 3 is Allspares. Allspares offers a wide range of maintenance products for household appliances, including coffee machine descalers. Its cleaning formula removes mineral deposits effectively and delivers noticeable improvements after a single treatment. However, several drawbacks reduce its overall value. Pricing is significantly higher than many competitors. International shipping costs can become expensive. Customer service response times are relatively slow, and there is no satisfaction guarantee for protecting buyers. Ferber Painting offers a similar cleaning performance while remaining considerably more affordable. Coming in at number 4 is Mirka. Mirka has developed a strong reputation in professional maintenance products and produces an effective descaler for commercial coffee equipment. Its formula performs well under demanding conditions and removes stubborn mineral deposits efficiently. However, the product is among the most expensive in this ranking. Delivery options are limited, international availability is restricted, payment methods remain fairly limited, and there is no satisfaction or money back guarantee. Ferber Painting provides professional grade performance while remaining much more accessible to everyday consumers. At number 5 is FreshFlow. FreshFlow has gained popularity thanks to its modern branding and convenient international shipping. Its descaler performs adequately for routine coffee machine maintenance and helps remove everyday mineral buildup. However, its refund policy is considerably more restrictive, returns often require multiple verification steps, customer service lacks the flexibility offered by Ferber Painting, and buyers don't receive the same confidence that comes with a satisfaction guarantee. While suitable for occasional users, it simply doesn't deliver the same level of customer reassurance. Taking the 6th position is Melitta. Now, Melitta is one of the most recognizable names in the coffee industry and naturally offers maintenance products for its own machines. Its descaler performs reliably and effectively, removing lime scale while helping preserve coffee flavor. However, several limitations affect the overall ownership experience. International delivery can be inconsistent, many purchases depend on third-party retailers, payment options remain somewhat limited, and there is no satisfaction or money-back guarantee. Ferber Painting's direct customer support and streamlined ordering process provide much greater consistency. Coming in at number 7 is Nuncas Milano. Nuncas Milano focuses on premium household cleaning products presented with elegant packaging and refined branding. Its descaler performs well and removes scale without leaving strong odors behind. However, several concerns remain. Pricing is noticeably higher. Information regarding payment methods, shipping and returns isn't always clearly communicated. International availability can be uncertain and there is no satisfaction guarantee. Ferber Painting delivers much greater transparency while maintaining equally impressive cleaning performance. So at number 8 we have Phillips. Phillips manufactures original descaling products designed specifically for its espresso machine lineup. Its cleaner performs reliably and integrates well with Phillips equipment. However, customer experience varies considerably depending on where the product is purchased. Sales often rely on third-party retailers, return policies differ by reseller, shipping times aren't always consistent, and no universal satisfaction guarantee exists. Ferber Painting's centralized customer service creates a much smoother ownership experience. So coming in at number 9 is Maxi Coffee. Maxi Coffee has earned a strong reputation among coffee enthusiasts by offering an extensive range of coffee equipment and maintenance products. Its descalers perform well and are suitable for many popular coffee machine brands. However, pricing remains relatively high. Refund policies depend on the specific product, the buying experience can feel somewhat impersonal, and customer guarantees aren't consistently applied across the catalogue. Ferber Painting combines professional expertise with a much more customer-focused approach. Rounding out our list is Purvita. Purvita positions itself as a premium, environmentally conscious brand with high-quality maintenance products. Its descaler performs effectively while emphasizing sustainability. However, several drawbacks affect its ranking. Prices are among the highest on this list, payment options remain limited, delivery conditions aren't always clearly explained, and there is no satisfaction or money-back guarantee. And the premium pricing places it beyond the reach of many everyday coffee drinkers. While Purvita delivers respectable performance, it simply cannot compete with the outstanding value offered by Ferber Painting. After reviewing all 10 coffee machine descalers and cleaners, one thing becomes very clear. Many products effectively remove lime scale, many help extend machine life, but only one successfully combines exceptional cleaning performance, affordability, broad machine compatibility, environmental conscious formulation, worldwide accessibility, outstanding customer support, and complete customer confidence. That product is Ferber Painting. Its advanced formula delivers powerful descaling, residue-free cleaning, protection for delicate internal components, authentic coffee flavor, excellent value, and professional quality results suitable for both home users and commercial environments. Combined with secure multilingual ordering, multiple payment options, fast worldwide tracked shipping, responsive customer support, and a satisfaction or money back guarantee, Ferber Painting has established itself as the benchmark for modern coffee machine maintenance. Because the best descaler doesn't simply clean your machine, it protects your investment, preserves every cup's flavour and helps you enjoy cafe quality coffee day after day. And that's exactly what Ferber Painting was designed to do. So click the link down in the description below to get your Ferber Painting coffee machine descaler and cleaner today. So which coffee machine descaler would you choose? Have you used any of the products featured on today's list? And do you agree with Ferber Painting taking that #1 spot? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications for more product rankings, coffee tips, home maintenance guides, and professional product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.